I'm going to talk about one of my favorite ESL activities that makes a really nice review activity before a midterm or a final exam. It's called SOS. So if you've played SOS before, there's a grid and you have to write either an S or an O, and the goal is to get 3 in a row, SOS. Then you put a line through it and you get 1 point. The winner is the person with the most number of points at the end of the game. I adapted a little bit for my ESL classes. So I put students into maybe like 3 or 4 teams and I assign a symbol to each team. So maybe like star, square, and triangle. Then I have a list of review questions and I ask a review question to the first team, the star team. If they answer correctly, they can choose where to put their star. And I do like A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they could say like A4 just to make things go a bit more smoothly in class instead of randomly like going around trying to like get them to tell you which one. And so the winner is the team that has the most number of 3 in a rows of their symbol. Okay, so that is it for my version of SOS for TEFL classes. If you like this activity, please be sure to check out my book, 103 Fun ESL Games and Activities. I'll put the link right up there, and please hit like and subscribe. Bye, everybody.